is Jeffrey.
And my name is Chloe. Today we are making strawberry flavored jelly.
Yes!
And it's written by Airplane. And it says flavored jelly. And first we're going to get this bag full of these little circle gem things. And we're going to pour it into this bowl here. Let's pour all of it. And now we're just going to pour in the hot water. We need 125 mils of water, hot water. And we're going to pour that in now. Let's pour it in.
Ooh, check that color.
And now we're going to take this spoon to sweat. But we're going to stir it. You can still see the little bits which are like sticky, and those are sticky. And we're just gonna stir it. We have to hold the bowl so that it like doesn't spill, and it doesn't and the bowl doesn't turn around.
So then basically you have to stir it until every single jelly crystal has been dissolved.
And this is such a good flavors jelly. You can see we already have some right here. We have on this on the tray. What do you call it? Tray. We have lime, lemon, raspberry, and grape. Purple grape. And we're mixing this. There's like a little bit of like crystal there. Like a little bit. But now I think there's like no more crystal, as you can see there. And now we have to pour in this cold water. It's really cold, and we're gonna pour it in. 100 mils. And now we're going to stir it again so that it can be good dissolved again. Because we want this mixture to be so nice and firm and so yummy after when we eat it. And we have to put this in the fridge, and we have to wait for a few days.
No, few hours.
Few hours until it's set.
4 hours.
4 hours until it's set. And then we can eat it, which is going to be so yummy. All of us is going to take one color each. I'm just going to... Now it's really easy to see because the spoon is also red. Thanks. Now I'm just going to do this like a pattern. There. Don't point, Jeffrey. I know what I'm doing. Okay? Now, can you please not stand right close to my elbow? Oops. And this has to be firm, and we need it to be at the same level. And now we're just going to pour it.
Yeah, just leave that
one. And that's done. And now we have the tray. And we're just going to take these. Move them over.
Space.
It's hard to tell which one's like which, but you can tell by the color mixture because that one's lighter and that one's darker, as you can see. And then we don't know where to put this one. And now we're done. Bye, guys!
Yeah, comment down below which kind of flavored jelly you like the most.
Lime
Raspberry, strawberry, grape, or lemon.
or lemon or raspberry or strawberry or pepper grape. Comment down below which color you like of the jelly. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye!
Everyone.